Hey tubers, let me get my shit together here. All right, so what's going on? I have got a 2018 Toyota RAV4, and Toyota, I'm gonna put it bluntly, you've like effed up a wet dream, okay? You have taken the simple oil filter change and turned it into some stupid cartridge, O-rings, drain plug assembly. It's kind of sad. So I don't even have the oil cap filter wrench. I'm gonna try to wrestle it off by hand. My wife has been having this done at the car dealer, so hopefully they put it on to torque spec. I can pull it off by hand. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to get a wrench or do something, and I hope I don't break that stupid plastic housing. See, this is where Toyota's cheaping out. Plastic valve covers on the new Tundra, and you know, plastic everywhere. It's terrible. At least the valve cover on this thing is aluminum. That's nice. Okay, well, I'll take you down below in a second, and we'll see what's going on. Okay, tubers, now is when it gets interesting. I've got the Toyota filter. I've got the 0W20 full synthetic oil. And what's happening now is I've drained the oil pan, but I've got to now go for the filter. And my plan is, I haven't even jacked the car up. I'm gonna see if I can't drain the filter like they say, and then I'm just gonna put the Kung Fu grip on it and see if I can't twist it off. You can't lose with the Kung Fu grip. Right, everybody? Okay, now's the hard part. I've taken the cap off, and I've pretty much drained the filter so it's dripping. I am going to try to oh, that felt good. Hand twist this son bitch off. Because I just don't want to pay for the wrench when I don't really think I'm going to need it. If you flip the lens thing, you'll be able to see what's being filmed. I just flip it my way so I can see what the hell I'm doing. So, where are we at? Well, I couldn't get the oil filter housing off. So, I went to O'Reilly's, and I've got an actual oil filter removal cap with some notches in it. I'm going to be extra careful using this with a ratchet and my hand to see if I can't just twist it off, because I really don't want to break the housing. I want to give a big shout out to O'Reilly's Auto Parts. This is a 2018 with about, I don't know, 15 to 17,000 miles on it. The car dealer's been doing it the last few years. I don't even know if they've changed the oil filter ever. They might be just dumping oil. And whoever did this the last time might have put it on too tight. We'll find out. Dusty. Rightsy tightsy, leftsy loosey. Like I said, I'm gonna use my hand and the oil filter wrench to see if I can't very gently somebody gorilla fisted this on. Okay, I'm going to get a breaker bar, but somebody has put this on way too tight. Fuck off the fucking piece. Son of a bitch! It broke. Trying to be as careful as I could. It still fucking broke. That is way over 25 foot-pounds of torque. Son of a bitch! But the one thing they don't show you, okay, I've been trying to twist it off with the proper filter thing. This little thing here looks to me to be a lock tab that's going to hold this from twisting out. Nobody has told me that there's a little locking tab here, and I can feel this bump pushing against here. That's why it wouldn't turn free. You got to bend this out of the way, then you can take your damn thing off. Nobody in any video has shown me that. And because of that, I had to spend 55 bucks. These people... Well, I thought I had the camera on. I got the plastic panel back on, and I've screwed in the filter cap. Listen, you've got to remember there is a little locking tab on this thing. And let's see if I can get underneath and show it to you. Because this is really, really, really important. I put it back in place, and you can't even see it. You won't be able to see it. But right behind here, in fact, if I was going to change my oil, I would pop off this panel. Because then you can get to that tab and release your oil filter cap. Without that, you're not going to be able to release the cap. So, all I got left to do is refill this thing with oil. And, you know, even with the mistakes, this is still costing me roughly the same money as it would if I let the dealer do it. And like I said, I'm not sure they've been changing this, or maybe just that little locking pin. But this filter just seems too old, too soft to only have, you know, 4,000 or 5,000 miles on it. Yeah. I think they've been cheating the filters. Even the O-ring feels like it's been mushed wrong, too long. I'll know on the next one. I'll know on the next one for sure. But I believe they over-tightened this bad boy. And literally shot me in the foot at the same time. Ugh. Oh, it's got to go up. Okay. Let me raise this up. Like I said, I could work at a pit crew. I'm getting so good at popping off tires. It's kind of getting scary. Oh, that'll work. That will work. Oh. Yep. Okay, and now an oil refill. All right. Okay, RAV4 owners, like I said, the important information from this video is that your oil filter housing has a little locking tab. And I'm going to say, if you don't get that tab free, you're going to find yourself in the same dumbass position as me, breaking the damn filter housing. And I was trying to be gentle. It sounds like it's running. Let me crawl under and see if anything's leaking here. All right, I don't see any leaks down here. Let me turn it off, check the oil one more time, and call this a done deal. Wow. It barely seems like it's on the dipstick now. Let me have a minute to sit, pick up a few tools, but I'm gonna need to check this again. Well, let me just say, this job is done. I filled it full of oil, ran it, checked the dipstick, topped it off to the correct level. Oh, man, I can't believe that nobody shows you there's a locking tab on that oil filter housing. So please get that out of this video, if anything. Well, what's left is just pick up the crap. I think I'm gonna eat supper first. I'm done.